Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily here. And before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. So please stay tuned to see how I created these three looks using the P.Louise palettes. I feel like these looks are very simple and easy to achieve for anyone, even a beginner. Hey guys, sorry for the bare face, but as you can see by the title, I will be going in with the new P.Louise budget box of August. Unfortunately, it came tremendously late this month, but we're gonna jump right into it. So this is the box right here, and for the content inside, we have a Lady in Charge palette. And then we have another palette, and this is the Team Bride palette. And then we also have Bride to Be palette. So we have three palettes so far, priced at £17. Do bear in mind that this budget box is £30 monthly, and this palette on its own is £17 each. The next thing that we have in the box, lovely lashes, is nice and fluffy. This is called the Balling on a Budget lash. You can see right here. It's a bit longer than what I'm used to wearing, I guess. Well, I don't wear it all the time, but £10. And then I have a lip liner, and this one is in the shade So Dramatic. And then we have the lip liner, which I believe is priced at £10 also. And this one is in the shade Intense. Let me open it. So this is the pencil right here. I'm just gonna, as you can see, this is not a pencil for me in particular, but it can still be used to fill out my lips nevertheless, so it still goes to use. And then I got another lip pencil. Once again, I think this is priced at £10. Worst case scenario, I put the correct price down below. The next one I got is So Dramatic, and this red lip liner, and that is it right there. That is so nice. And last but not least, I do have the base in Radiant Rosewood. I do have two of these already, so I will definitely be giving this away in the future, but I can definitely show you guys how it looks. So this is it right here. This is the P.Louise base, and this base right here I do use as a blush. It can also be used on the eyelid before you apply your eyeshadow. So I love using it as a blush. That's the color right here. And I'm just gonna blend that out. So you can see it's a nice blush on dark complexion, especially on fair skin. For the first palette, we have a Bride to Be, and let's open it and see what the color story is saying. And this is the packaging. Like, P.Louise always comes out with the great packaging. Like, if you are not a big fan of her packaging, something's wrong with you. Palette, like, look at the prints as well, like, those four shades. Like, look how reflective the shimmer is, and by the way, that's Forever Thing, and that is so reflective. Like, look at that. So this is the first palette. I'm not going in with all of them because most of her palettes perform pretty much the same. Are all the palettes up close. Now, these palettes do remind me of the Beauty on a Break palette as shown, which is this palette right here. Now this palette does look a bit light on camera, but the colors are pretty much similar but darker in person. Okay, so for all three looks, I'll definitely be going with my P.Louise base in Rumor 3. And I like to use my Made by Mitchell brush. I think this is the M4 brush, if I'm not mistaken. And I like to just pat it out. First palette that I'll be taking is A Lady in Charge. And for the first color I'm going to take is Mentor. And this is the darkest color in the palette. And this look was chosen by my best friend. Now going in with the shade called First Love. Then going with the shade called Yummy Mommy. I'm currently taking the P.Louise cut carver to pre-cut my crease. Taking this shade right here, and it's called Mom in a Million. And this shade is so pretty, like it has different colors in it. I don't even know if you can see, but it's so pretty. Purple reflex in it, even blue. So pretty. Taking the base in Radiant Rosewood, I'm just gonna apply this right here, just to make a little wing line, and then I'm gonna go over it with eyeshadow, with the darkest eyeshadow, with the shade Mentor. Okay, so this is the eye look that I came up with. What I'm going to do, I'm going to finish the rest of my face so you guys can see the full effect of this eye look, and then after which I'm going to wipe off just the eye and do the other two palettes. So this is the final look for look number 1, and now I'm going to wipe off my eyes and do look number 2. Going in with the Bride to Be palette, going in with Suit the Tie, going in with Stuck With You, going for something very subtle, going for a more soft Glam. And then going in with a Dream Come True. This nice shimmer shade right here. So this is the next look using the Bright B palette. This is very subtle for all the subtle type of babe, like those who like a simple glam. This palette is for you, and this look is for you also. Going back in with the P.Louise base in Rumor 3, just to pop that on the lid. The last look, we're gonna go in with Team Bride. Going in with Friends for Wife. And we're just patting this shade in. And this look right here, I feel like is going to be my go-to look. Not necessarily with these particular shadows, but I've been doing this look a lot lately. Going in with Bride or Die. Going in with Save the Date. Okay, taking this shade right here, and that shade is called Dream Team, and I'm just packing that on the lid. Liner, I'm going to take my Made by Mitchell liner, and this is the graphic ink. I'm not even sure what this is called, but yeah. So this is the final look using this palette. Yeah, this is my new signature eye look. It's simple and effective. Hey guys, we've now reached the end of my video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video of me showcasing the P.Louise budget box and showing you guys 3 different looks using the 3 new palettes.